Are you tired of just getting by? Craving for a life where you wake up each day filled with excitement, purpose, and positivity? Well, it's time to hit the refresh button. Welcome to our life-changing guide, 5 ways to change your life for the better. 1. Shifting your mindset. It's not just a fancy term, it's a game changer. Here's the scoop. Think of your brain as this brilliant, pulsating mass of potential. It's not set in stone, it's more like a muscle, flexing and growing with every new challenge. That right there is the essence of a growth mindset. Now, imagine seeing failure not as a crushing defeat, but as a golden ticket to growth. Messed up at work? Don't panic. What can you learn from it? Stumbled in a relationship? How can you improve? Life isn't about avoiding falls. It's about getting up, dusting off, and asking what's next. It's about fueling that inner curiosity, embracing those moments, and learning from the success of others. A growth mindset whispers, you can grow, you can change, you are not defined by yesterday's limitations. It's your secret weapon to becoming better, brighter, and bolder. 2. Resilience in the face of challenges. Imagine life's hardships as gale force winds, blowing strong and wild. What would you rather be, a brittle tree that snaps, or a sturdy one that bends, endures, and bounces back? That's resilience. It's not just surviving the storm. It's learning to dance in the rain. Resilience is our armor in the battleground of life. It helps us to adapt, endure, and to grow stronger with each blow. It's about getting knocked down 7 times and standing up 8. But how do we cultivate it? By embracing change, learning to handle stress, building strong relationships, and maintaining a positive outlook. We all face challenges, but it's those who rise after every fall who truly thrive. And remember, resilience isn't about going it alone. It's about leaning on others, drawing strength from togetherness. 3. Setting and pursuing meaningful goals. Now, I'm not talking about those fleeting New Year's resolutions that evaporate by February. No, we're venturing into the realm of deep soul-stirring aspirations. Ever set a goal that makes your heart pound, that makes you feel like you're ready to take on the world? Those are meaningful goals. The secret sauce? It's all about alignment. Aligning your goals with your core values, with your passions, with your purpose in life. Meaningful goals aren't just checkboxes on a to-do list. They're your personal lighthouse, guiding you through the stormiest seas, and illuminating your path when all seems lost. And guess what? The journey to achieve them? That's where the magic truly happens. It's where growth meets grit, and perseverance meets passion. 4. The power of gratitude. Far from a cliched feel-good mantra, gratitude is a transformative force, a catalyst for positive change. Imagine gazing upon your day, your week, your life, and finding those golden nuggets of joy, those precious gems of positivity. That's the power of gratitude. Gratitude doesn't mean denying life's difficulties, but rather, it's a telescope that allows us to focus on the good amidst the chaos. It's about cherishing the small moments, celebrating the wins, and seeing the beauty in each day. But here's the kicker. Gratitude isn't just good for your soul, it's fantastic for your health too. Lower stress, better sleep, stronger relationships, all tied to the simple act of giving thanks. So, let's unlock the full potential of this extraordinary power together and watch as the magic of gratitude transforms our lives. 5. Cultivating a positive social circle. Make no mistake, it's not about having a plethora of friends or followers, it's about quality over quantity. Imagine your life as a garden. The people around you? They're the seeds. Some will blossom into beautiful flowers, lifting your spirits and supporting your growth. Others? They might just turn into pesky weeds, draining your energy and stunting your progress. Cultivating a positive social circle means sowing the seeds of love, respect, and positivity. It's about surrounding yourself with those who inspire you, who challenge you, who make you want to be the best version of yourself. Remember, we are greatly influenced by the company we keep. Our social circles can determine our outlook on life, our self-esteem, and even our decisions. So, let's trim the weeds and nourish the blooms, together. After all, our gardens reflect us, and we deserve the most beautiful blossoms. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.